trees, birds singing melody. In the meadow where the wildflowers grow, sunlight dances, casting a golden glow. The river hums a gentle tune underneath the watchful moon. Oh, nature's song, so pure and true, a symphony of every hue. In every leaf, in every breeze, a harmony that sets us free. Mountains rise, touching the sky, clouds drift by where eagles fly. The forest whispers ancient tales of timeless winds and endless trails. Oh, nature's song, so pure and true, a symphony of every hue. In every leaf, in every breeze, a harmony that sets us free. In the stillness, hear the call of the earth embracing all, a melody that never fades, in the heart where peace is made. Oh, nature's song, so pure and true, a symphony of every hue. In every leaf, in every breeze, a harmony that sets us free. As the day turns into night, stars shine bright, a guiding light. Nature's song, forever near, a lullaby for all to hear. Whispering winds through the trees, birds singing melody. In the meadow where the wildflowers grow, sunlight dances, casting a golden glow. The river hums a gentle tune underneath the watchful moon. Oh, nature's song, so pure and true, a symphony of